Hello, once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. So today I am here with a new topic, that is mathematical form of information. How to convert the given information into mathematical form. Mathematical form is that it will be in the form of numerical expressions, equalities, inequations, equations. So you have to get in that form the given information. So we will see how it is. Here some examples are given. The first one is 5 added to a number. To a number, to an unknown number. The value of that number is unknown. For that, you have to use variable to represent that number. Any alphabet from A to Z you can use for representing that unknown number. So, how it will be represented? 5, the number 5. Added means which sign? Plus sign. Added to what? The unknown number, that you can give any alphabet, that is X. So the information is given in mathematical form as X plus 5. X plus 5. Clear? Added means plus. 5 is there, 5 added. 5 you have to add to the number. For number I written X. So X plus 5. It is a expression. Algebraic expression. Next one. 2 times a number is 6. 2 times 2, the number 2. Times means what? I told you it represents multiplication. So 2 into a number X or Y, any alphabet. So 2 into X is, then it become equation. Is what? 6. So we got LHS and RHS. Before is LHS, after is RHS. So how it will be? 2 times a number is 6. It become an equation. So 2y equal to 6. Clear? Next one. Listen carefully the sentence or phrase. 7 less than a number. Here you will get confused. You will be feeling that 7 less than sign to be used, but not that. The meaning of the phrase, that is 7 less than a number. If this information represents, you have to subtract 7 from the number, unknown number. 7 less than a number. So what is that? X minus 7. X minus 7. Clear? 7 less than a number. Next one, see. 7 is less than a number. When is there, then it become inequation. So how it is? 7 is less than x. So understood the difference between x minus 7 and 7 less than x? Here what is that? 7 less than a number. It become an expression only. 7 is less than a number. It become inequation. Next one. Sum of twice a number and 3. Sum of twice a number and 3. Sum means what? Plus. Sum of what? What are the things you have to add? Twice a number. Twice a number what? 2x. And what? 3. So sum of twice a number and 3 is represented as 2x plus 3. It is also an expression. Next one, difference of a number and 2. Difference of a number and 2. It is not mentioned which number is larger or smaller or which is to be written first. If y is the unknown number, it is a difference of the number and 2 is written as y minus 2 for difference subtraction. Difference between the number and 2. So y minus 2. Next one, a number divided by 3. A number, for number I written x. X division sign and 3. X divided by 3. 4 more than 5 times a number. Here listen carefully. 4 more than. Is not there. Whenever is there, it become equation or inequation. 4 more than. So you have to start from right. 4 more than plus sign. 4 more than means 4 you have to add. More than what? 5 times a number. 5 times means what? 5 into a number, any alphabet. 5y plus 4. It is an expression. Then 6 is more than, see the difference. 6 is more than a number. It become inequation. 6 is greater than sign or more than sign is more than a number. 6 is more than x. This is the way of converting into mathematical form. You have to practice a lot and don't confuse with is more than and more than, is less than and less than. So here some expressions are, mathematical expressions are, or equation or inequations are given. How you will convert into the information form or in the form of statements, or how to read this. You have to practice both, then only you will be in touch with this. So here given 2x plus 3 equal to 5x. How you will write in the form of a statement. So whenever equal to is, so what is that left hand side, how you will read? This is sum of what? Twice a number and 3. That way this expression, LHS expression read sum of twice a number and 3 is 5 times that number. Same number, x is written here also, here also. This read as 5 times that number. So how to read it? Sum of twice a number and 3 is 5 times that number. Next one. 3 into 4 minus 2 into x. The minus 4 minus what we'll say? Difference of the product of 3 and 4 and twice a number. The difference of product of 3 and 4 and twice the number. Next one, 5 plus 3x equal to 7 plus 2x. Read both LHS and RHS and write is. So here how you will read? Sum of 5 and thrice a number is sum of 7 and twice the number. Next one, x plus 4 is greater than 3. How you will write in the form of statement? Sum of a number, whenever x or y or any alphabet is there, you have to say a number. Sum of a number and 4 is greater than 3. Next one, 2 plus y is less than 9. How we will say? Sum of 2 and a number is less than 9. Next one, x divided by 2 is less than 2x. A number divided by 2 is less than twice that number. The same number. A number divided by 2 is less than twice that number. In this way, you practice both. How to convert the information into mathematical form and mathematical form into information. And practice a lot, then you will be get in touch with it, and it is highly useful for solving various problems. Clear? So that is today end of the today's lesson. Thank you for watching this lesson. Please share, forward and subscribe the channel. See you next week with a new topic. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.